Alright guys, what's going on? So today's the day we're gonna put the wheels on the car. I'm about to go grab the tires and then we'll take them to get mounted. And then we're gonna throw them on the car, do the adjustments, get this thing exactly where I want it. I gotta take the rear fender liner out, put a little plate to cover the filler neck of the gas tank. And yeah, this thing should look really good today. And then we're gonna take some pictures of it tonight. So it's gonna be a pretty sick day. It's pretty weak. Yeah, that's really weak. We're about to show this guy what's up today. All right, so these are the tires I'm running. They're just some ATR Sports 225 40 18s. Just nice and simple since I'm gonna have a lot of camber. I don't want to run anything too nice. So yeah, gonna load these up and take them. Oof. Squeezed all the wheels and tires in there. It's kind of a tight fit, but we're gonna go drop them off right now. Okay, so I just got a quick haircut, picked up the wheels and tires. They're all mounted up, and here's what they look like. Super sick. They're add-in wheels, and they have a little bit of dish to them. These are 8.5s with those 225s, like I said. And yeah, they're gonna look insane on this thing. So I'm gonna go eat some breakfast and then pull this thing outside, jack it up. I'm gonna lower the rear a little more and then throw them on. Okay, so front wheel is on, about to lower it, see what it looks like. Go pretty slow here. Looks like it's gonna be super, super tight, but once it cambers in, we should be pretty good here. Look at that. That's perfect, honestly. Maybe once it settles a little bit, let me bounce on it here. I don't know, that's perfect. Honestly, it could probably go a little lower. Damn! Oh my goodness. These things look insane on here. Holy cow, this is about to look really good. Alright, well, definitely about to lower the rear more and then throw these on because this looks insane. Damn, I'm hella pumped for this. Speed run, here we go. Oof, here we go. Dang. I'm gonna get better at this, promise. Rear of this car, I don't know if I ever explained this, but basically the preload is set through the shock. So I'm not good at explaining this, but I'm gonna try and make sense of it. So when you have this in the air, there needs to be tension on the spring like there is right now. So when I adjust the height of this, I also have to adjust the height of this. Big pain in the ass, but that's basically what I'm about to do right now. Just quick explanation. I'm about to slam the rear, so it's gonna be way lower. And yeah, so gonna knock that out on this side, put the wheel on, lower it, see how it looks. Go to the other side, same thing. So you guys get the point. Not fun. Okay, 3 lugs are on for now, but I can already tell this is not gonna be good. So anyway, let's lower. Nice and slow. Well, it's actually not as bad as I thought. Hold on, I'm gonna drop the e-brake, see if it goes down at all. I guess the e-brake is not that up, so let's put it up now. It looks really good though. Damn. Damn, let's step back here. Holy crap. So the rear either needs to come down more or it's stuck on this. But I can't tell. Actually, yeah. No way. It looks like this metal right here is actually holding the wheel up right now. So I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is either gonna work really good or really bad. But right now I just got a bar and I'm just twisting it and it's actually working pretty good. I got that rust, of course. But oh my god, it's tearing that up. But this is working. Like, it's actually working. So we're gonna go all the way across here. We're stuck on the rust. Brand new tires covered in rust, but I'm just gonna have to do what Brandon did. Brandon just cut all his, but I think this will work for now. Let me bounce on it and see. Definitely hitting on something. To be honest, I think I actually got it. So, what sucks is the rear needs to go down more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna completely max out the rear. I didn't max it out this time. I left like probably 3/8 of an inch. So yeah, I'm just gonna max the rear out. And if the rear doesn't go low enough, I'll just raise the front up and call it good. But for now, this is what she's looking like. Damn, it looks insane. This is really starting to come together. Okay, so the rear is completely lowered. Like, I can't go any farther. And this is where it's at. I don't know if it's gonna settle more. So I guess I'll leave it. I guess I kind of have to leave it here for now. But I'm just gonna repeat the same thing to the other side, and then we'll go drive it around, see how it feels, make sure. Well, there's definitely gonna be a lot of rubbing because I didn't take the fender liner out, so we'll see how that feels. But anyway, yeah, it looks sick. Okay, well, I just pulled it out. It didn't rub at all yet. Obviously, I didn't get on it, but this is obviously before, and here's after. So this thing looks insane. I wish the back was lower, but like I said, we'll just see how it settles. And I'm gonna do this other side, finish that up, and then we'll go drive it around. But oh my goodness, it looks so good. These wheels fit this car like perfectly. And, oh yeah, actually, yeah, I mean, I'll probably rub, but I guess I will use that fender roller probably today. But yeah, so before and after, so pretty good. Just gonna do this other side. Brandon, it's pretty sick. It's pretty sick? Yeah, it's pretty good. What about this rear ride height?
Probably go, what the fuck is all this?
Oh.
God dang, dude.
I've been rolling, man. Give me a break.
Just need to cut that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do what you did and just grind it. That's what I was telling him. I was like, I'm gonna do what Brandon did.
Yeah, may as well.
Yeah, I left those off just in case, but look how bouncy it is. Oh, we're rubbing a little bit. Dude, it wasn't rubbing in there, I swear. I swear.
Dude, you need to set them.
I have it on video that it wasn't rubbing.
You need to set them to stiff, dude.
No.
Why? You gonna be bouncing around everywhere?
Yeah, I want it to ride comfy.
You can, if you want it to ride like my
Did you see that?
Good.
When I shut the trunk.
It doesn't rub, dude. It literally shuts the trunk and it rubs.
No, when I shut the trunk, rust dust flew out.
Yeah, you're gonna need to roll that.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to.
You're gonna get a fender roller out here. I already know.
Did you roll your fronts?
About to. And I'm lowering it more.
Aren't you fancy?
Yep.
Today?
Yep.
Why do you gotta do that to me?
Because I got the fender roller.
Yeah, but like, why can't we be like the same height when we go take pictures, you know?
This stuff your wheels or is that glue?
Oh, that's glue.
You sure?
No.
Dude, they scuffed your wheels.
Well, that wasn't them. If it was.
Did you do that?
Actually, no, I didn't do that.
I think they scuffed your wheels.
Oh well.
Assholes.
They're cheap. Hey, they're nice people. I had a great conversation with them.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. These look dope though.
I have to, you know, try them on someone else's car.
Oh yeah? Who would that be?
I don't know, man. There's like this other Speed 6 in town. It's pretty cool.
Oh, the one that's taken apart?
No. I think it's white, actually.
These would look insane on your car.
Did I have 40s on mine? 40 sidewall?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I almost got 235s just so I could have better fitment than you.
Better fit, man. You'd be rubbing your tits off.
I know, that's alright. Are we getting that fender roller, like, legitimately?
Yeah, it's at Sam's house.
Here comes Mr. I want to park next to you because I want to show off because I'm lower. I think I'm lower. You what? Exactly, dude. You're definitely lower in the rear, no doubt.
My tires too. This thing's dirty as fuck. This thing needs nice cleaning.
Oh yeah, you're like completely flat, aren't you?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Holy. I didn't even take the fender liner out either.
Yeah, you're gonna rub on that.
Hmm.
Cause I did. And it sounds like you're. You know when
All right,
you,
let me just get the height adjusted and then we'll.
You know when you rub your feet across carpet really fast and make that noise? That's what it does on this.
I've never done that. Alright, I'm gonna finish this side.
Or you know, like those things that change pictures when you tilt them in the sun.
Yeah.
That have that, you know, when you scratch on them.
Yeah.
That's the noise it makes.
Really?
Yeah, because it's carpet. These are bigger tires too, yeah. These are 45 saddles. So.
Alright.
Blast this fucker off. I think we're gonna be pretty low.
I think I'll be
Maybe
slammed.
max out my rears.
So good.
Sick. He's lower though.
Who has fresh coils that haven't settled yet? Huh?
Ooh, shit. I think I'm a little lower. Drive it around.
Yeah.
All right, don't go past this back lot because you're gonna rub. It's hot in here. You need some tent. It's like a fishbowl.
Shit, rub.
Oh, it's gonna rub.
Cold start, number 2. Right, put this down, listen.
It's gonna be straight rub. Yeah, dude, it doesn't rub. I bounced on it a lot and shit. It's fine.
I was like freaking out.
It's bent back.
Oh, I didn't get there.
Just,
He
yeah,
fell away, I'm like,
that's exactly what happened to mine.
did the metal put into it?
Yeah, I think you should just wait for the fender roller.
No, watch this.
Did the tire get cut?
No, it's fine.
We're gonna pop too.
You were right, Brandon. It got a lot lower.
Did it lower too much?
Yeah, you're gonna need to cut that. It's gonna mess
You're
up
on
your
the top.
fenders.
See right there?
Made it about 5 feet. This side looks higher up for some reason.
How's the other side? Is it lower?
No, it's higher.
Really?
Is it lower even more?
Has fender roller, still uses a pipe.
Dude, you gotta give some credit. It looks insane.
All right, he says. Stance boys, I swear, dude. It's fucking stance boys out here.
Round 2.
Yeah, it doesn't rub at all, dude. I've bounced on it a lot and it didn't even rub.
Dude, I swear. Wait till you see the video. It wasn't rubbing.
Well, yeah, because it's just bouncing on the tire.
Oh, yeah. Good point.
It's not like it's spinning. And he sets his fucking shocks all the way soft in there for whatever reason.
It looks so good that way, man.
Ah, dude, you gotta set them hard.
Let's post up back here. I'm just gonna end this video off. My new wheels.
God, dude, you're about to explode.
I'm gonna fix this.
Put your seatbelt on. You're about to
Panicking, man. Oh, see it? I'll do a little walk around.
Oh, they got to walk around.
Well, yeah, but now we're all posted up. It does look really good, though. Damn. This thing looks sick. Alright, well, I got some fixing to do for the rubbing. And it looks sick. Not gonna put that in the video because boring. I may do some, but yeah, that's my car with the wheels. Looks really, really good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the next video where we do Brandon's axles. And yeah, that's it. You got anything to say, Brandon?
No.
No? I thought it was nope.
Nope.
Nope. So thanks for watching. Peace out.